All right, guys. So, guys, I want us to let us talk about on how to actually bypass a login, right? So, basically, I'm going to be teaching you on how to bypass a laravel login application, right? That is, if the developers did not actually write a very secure code. So, as you can see, this code right here. So you can see this. This is my payload, and this is the SQL statement. And right here, you can see I'm doing a post request, right? And if I should click on send like this, for example, okay, let me just put in something here. Just put anything there. I'll click on send. All right, so you can see I just put anything there. It's just a very simple password. Anything, like it can be, I don't know, anything. It's going to work. So if I scroll down now, you can basically see that I get to see all the entire data from the user base, which is not supposed to be. I'm supposed to be getting something like this is not valid or something like that, right? So let me show you my code. So this is my code base right here. Let me take this away so this doesn't become too confusing. And let me just format this guy here. Alright, so this is my code here. So this code right here, this login code, you can see I'm even validating it. And I'm getting the email and I'm having this select stuff here. As you can see, I'm trying to check if the user is not there, then if it is, then I get this. So this code that I have here is very deadly, right? As a developer, you shouldn't be writing raw SQL statements like this. It could lead to SQL injection vulnerability, as you've seen right here, like this. And I'm also going to show you another one again. I wrote one in my API. Yeah, as you can see, I'm having this endpoints here. As you can see, I'm even checking for the what's it called, for the email, and I'm also checking for the password right here, right? So if I should basically come straight to, where do I have it? I think I have it here. It doesn't a lot of testing, by the way. So if I have it here like this, and if I should hit on send, you can see login success. I get to see everybody's data information, which is not supposed to be, right? So the question now is that what correct code should you write, right? So this should be the correct code you should write, something like this. I will comment this part here. So as you can see, you can basically see how this code works. So you can see I'm actually validating. I am not writing the pure SQL raw code inside of here. So this is how your login code should be like. It should be very secure. So if you want to secure, if you want to see if your login code is actually secure, just try and run this code like this. If you get all your user base out, it means that you need to do what, change it. And also you can try this on a site out there, but just be careful. Make sure you have permission to try this kind of thing on somebody's or a business what URL. But you can make sure you run this code just to check if your login is actually very what secure. See you guys next time.